Average temperature for a week is noted as 32 degrees Celsius, but later it was realized that Friday's temperature reading was taken as 30 degrees Celsius instead of 16 degrees Celsius. What is the correct average temperature for the week? Here, average temperature for a week is calculated as 32 degrees. Week means 7 days. For 7 days, average temperature is calculated as 32 degrees Celsius. But there was a mistake in calculating this. That is, Friday's temperature reading was taken as 30 degree instead of 16 degree. That is, 30 degree is a false reading, 16 degree is the actual reading. So this 32 degree was calculated with the reading 30 degree. That is, this is a false reading. So we need to find out the actual reading, that is the true reading for the week. Week means 7 days. So for 7 days, with the actual reading is 16 degree instead of this 30 degree. So you can see with the 30 degree reading, the average temperature is 32 degree. Then with the 16 degree actual reading, average temperature will decrease. That is, how much decrease? Here 7 days are common. So we need to take the difference between 13 and 16. That is, difference in reading is 30 minus 16 is 14 here. But this 14 should be equally distributed to the 7 days. That is, this 14 should be equally distributed to the 7 days, which is equal to 32 minus 14 by 7. This will be the actual reading. That is, 7 goes 2 times in 14. 32 minus 2 is 30. So, actual average temperature for the week is equal to 30 degree. Option B is your answer.